I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought...
Hey, what's up guys? One half of Caper Couple back, and today I'm here just to do a little unboxing for you guys, because today I finally got the second microphone in the mail. Now I would say it took probably 2.5 months, guys, to receive this. I ordered it through Walmart, but it came from China, so I would say that's why it took so long. But you can see Canada posted a number on my box. So luckily it comes in its own hard shell case. So in the case here, guys, and you get the microphone with a dead cat on it. And I'm glad they come with these, because these really help wind issues, as you already seen in a few of our other videos, guys. And I'm using the other microphone right now to record this for you guys, so I'll stop it in a second here and I'll switch microphones so you can see the difference between the two. Now this one was pretty cheap on Walmart. I think it was maybe, I can't remember exactly, maybe around $30, guys. It was probably closer to 50 with the shipping and stuff, but we'll see what the difference is. I'm picking beef jerky out of my teeth, guys. I was eating some homemade beef jerky. So you get two cables. This one's for a camera. The other is a phone cable if you want to hook the mic to your phone. And I realized that because I went filming the other week. I had the wrong cable hooked up. When I got home, every bit of my footage was just totaled. No audio in it. And that was the cause of it. So we also have the information booklet, and it's all in English, I believe, guys. Yeah, it seems to be all English. Instruction manual. So one thing I did want to show you guys is I finally got the Eachine E58 drone. Now this is for one of you lucky guys. So get us to that 1,000 subscribers, guys, and we'll give this away. I'll ship it out to one of you lucky people. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys back in a few. Let you see what the other mic sounds like. Peace. Okay guys, I'm back. I now have the Andor cardioid microphone hooked up, so how's the sound? Is it a good mic? I don't know myself until I review this. So now we have two. I'm still waiting on my other camera to come in. Then we'll be using that. And I also have the attachment on the way, so we'll be able to use an external microphone like one of these two. And that's about it for the day, guys. So subscribe to the channel, comment, hit the bell, guys. Make sure you're notified every time we have a new video come out. Give us a like, and until the next one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.